back to RIA'S World of Ideas. In today's video is going to be an HEB grocery haul, but I'm also going to be sharing with you guys what I'm serving my family for meals this week, because I like to give you guys ideas on maybe serving something different in your home. But I also encourage you guys in this video down in the comments area down below to let me know what you guys are serving your family for meals this week, so that I can get inspired and get ideas as well, so that maybe my next meal planning I can serve something different, because we tend to get frustrated with meal planning because sometimes we just can't come up with new ideas, and then our family is getting tired of the same old meals. So I like to share my ideas with you guys to inspire you guys, but I like to hear your ideas as well, so that you guys can give me some new ideas on new meals to plan for my family, so they don't get tired with the same old stuff that I've been serving them. So anyways, let me just jump right into this video so I can share with you guys the things that I found at HEB this week, and the deals that I found at HEB this week, and the savings that I got. So this is everything that I got from HEB this week. They really didn't have a lot of great deals this week, but I did find some things that I did save money on, and things that I needed for the home. So let me just jump right into the video. And I was on a ladder, you guys, because I was trying to get all of this food in one picture for you guys. Now remember, I only spent $100 a week on my groceries, and I did come under budget this week. So let's just start off with back here. It's with the 24 count of ramen noodles. This is always a staple in our home. We love ramen noodles. I eat it like all the time after work, and my daughters love it. So this 24 count box was, let me find it on my receipt. It was $4.68. Then moving on to right here with the sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds, but I'm trying to eat more healthier now since I'm trying to do my weight loss thing. So I decided to buy just the sunflower seed kernels, the unsalted ones, so that I can have them as a nighttime snack. This bag came out to $1.78. Now back here I have two things of fruit roll-ups, and usually I don't buy my kids fruit roll-ups or fruit by the foot or anything like that, because sometimes I feel like they're just a waste of money. But they did have a HEB coupon where you bought two for $3, so they made them $1.50 each, which brings them down from the normal $2 something that they have them. So I decided to treat my girls this week and get them some fruit roll-ups. I got the fruit roll-ups instead of the fruit by the foot because you get 10 in here and you get 6 in the fruit by the foot. So I figured that, you know, I like anything where you can make it last longer for the kiddos and they just get a little snack. So I got those, and that's an in-store coupon at HEB that they have. It's two that you just pull it, and it's 2 for $3. Back here I got some hamburger helper. I usually get a better deal on hamburger helper in the commissary. This week at HEB they had a coupon that you pull right next to the hamburger helper. They made them 2 for $2, so like $1 a box. Now when I used to get them before, like I said, I used to get them at a better deal in the commissary, because I used to get coupons in the Sunday paper, and I used to get these for like 50 cents a box, 75 cents a box most times, and I've even got them for 25 cents a box. But I just got back into couponing, and I haven't seen any coupons for hamburger helper lately. And my daughters were actually missing hamburger helper. I used to make it like a quick meal before, and I've stopped making it for a while. But they were telling me how they missed it. So when I saw that they were 2 for $2, I decided to pick up some at HEB. So right now you just, it's an in-store coupon. They make them $1 a box. And this is great for like an easy meal whenever your kids have practices or something like that, or you're working moms. This is a great meal. Do not feel bad that you're making hamburger helper. Kids love it. My husband loves it. It's a great fast meal, and it makes great leftovers for lunch the next day for me at work, so I love that. Back here is a staple. You guys know, you guys have seen this in my grocery hauls before. It's the leg quarters. And you know I love this bag because this whole bag is $4.69, which makes them basically 47 cents a pound, and you get 10 pounds in this bag. And normally I can make, depending on what I'm making, I can make 3 to 4 meals out of this leg quarter. But since I like to have leftovers for my lunch, I tend to make about 2 to 3 meals out of this. But 2 to 3 meals out of this and leftovers for work for under $5 is great. So that is $4.69. Oh yes, $4.69. Now sometimes they have them for $3.69, which is even better because then I get them for 37 cents a pound. Another staple in my home that you guys have seen, that how I save money on meat, is these smoked Polish sausage, and they had them for $3.98, and I love it because I've told you guys before I've made so many meals with them. And if you guys want me to share with you guys the meals that I made with this, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll share with you. But a lot of times I make, you know, Alfredo with this, spaghetti and sausage. I make breakfast and sausage. I make what is that thing called, jambalaya out of it, you know, rice and sausage. I make so many meals, and it comes 14 links in this pack. And I only use about 4 links every meal because these things plump up really like fat. So they get really meaty. So you only need 4 of them for a family of 4. So this does last me a long time. And again, it was $3.98. I also got me some coffee, and normally I get the big container. I always get it when they always have like a $2 off coupon, and it's normally $6 for the big container. They didn't have the coupon yet, so I just got me a small container to last me until those coupons come. I know they're about to come soon. They tend to like rotate them every 2 to 3 weeks. I also got me some honey. This is the HEB Texas Wildflower Honey. And oh, the coffee, I forgot to say what the coffee was. The coffee, this small container coffee was actually $2.68 for 13 ounces. So $2.68 for this. The honey, I like to get honey that is grown where I live at because it helps with sinuses. And I use this a lot in my TEAMI skinny tea that I was telling you guys about. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link up here and also in the description box below. But I put this in my tea with lemon to make it taste good. This was actually $3.98 for 12 ounces. Then we also got, moving on here, we got some HEB cough drops. Sickness has hit my household, and my little one has a sore throat. I thought it was actually strep, but thank God it's not. So I got her some cough drops. Daddy had picked up some cough drops last night, but they were the honey kind, and she really didn't like them. So I picked up some cherry and menthol ones and the HEB brand, and these were 88 cents a bag, which was a great deal. Another thing I got from the HEB brand was a sweet and salty almond granola bars. I love these granola bars, and they actually taste better than I don't know what brand it is that they're kind of mimicking this from. But before, when I used to buy these at the other brand, they were always like $2 to $3 a box. This box right here is always $1.39 for 6 of them. And these actually taste better than the name brand one that they're trying to mimic. I can't think of it right now. But they're always $1.39 and they taste so good. And this is what I eat for breakfast every morning because I'm always so, like, I'm a working mom. I'm always so busy, and I always eat these going to work or at work. Is such a great thing to have for breakfast, a real quick breakfast, or even a snack. I love these things. Again, it was $1.39. I picked me up some eggs today. These were $1.29 for the extra large 1.5 dozen. I also picked up some HEB bread. I always pick up the HEB brand large bread. This bag cost $1.48 for this big bag. I love this bread. It's like the biggest bread. It's so soft. It tastes so good. And it's really cheap. You get it for like $1.48. So you can't beat that. Back here, I got some Kool-Aid jammers for my kids. They were normally priced $1.88, and then they had a coupon 50 cents off 2. So I got these 2 for them for lunches. This right here was a deal that when you bought the HEB sauce, you get an organic, any type of organic pasta for free. So I picked this up, and it was basically, again, it was the coupons that you pull. And this was actually the last spicy Cajun sauce. So this deal was like very popular with people. Everybody took it. So this was the last one. I probably would have picked up another one, but this was the last one. But the jar itself was $2.25, but you get this free. So basically you get the pasta and the sauce for $2.25. So basically you can make a meal for $2.25 and just throw in, I'm basically going to throw in the sausage, fry up the sausage to go with that. So I'm going to make a meal for my family of 4 for under $2.50. So that's a great deal. Also over here, I got some Campbell's spaghetti and meatballs. The girls love this for their lunches. I normally get them at the commissary because I can get this huge can under $1. But the girls really wanted them, and I was in HEB, and I don't know when I'm going to go to the commissary next. So this one at HEB was $1.32 a can. But again, like I said, I normally can get it cheaper at the commissary, but I was at HEB. I got some creamer for me and the hubby. He likes French vanilla, and I like hazelnut. These used to be under $5, and I've noticed that in Walmart and in HEB, they've raised it to $6, 6 something, and so I don't know why they're raising it, but they did. But I also had an HEB coupon that was $1.50 off whenever you bought 2, because whenever you go to HEB, they also, with your receipt, coupons print out, and this was one of the coupons that printed out was I get $1.50 off the next time I get 2 of these creamers. So it was $1.50 off of them, and they were about 6 something each. Another great deal that I found was on pasta, and it was on the Skinner's pasta. It was that you buy one and then you get the second one free. And these Skinner pastas were priced at, I believe they were 96 cents. Let me check. Yes, they were 96 cents each. And so you bought one and you got the second one free. So basically you got two for 96 cents, which brings them to like 48 cents, I believe. 48 cents each, which is a good deal. So I got me 2 linguinis, 2 spaghettis, and 2 of the penne pastas, and it's one of those peel coupons that you take, and I believe it lasts till the 12th. When you take those coupons from HEB, they have different dates on them, so I think they last till the 12th. So I had a great day for great shopping day for pasta at HEB. I also picked up these Chips Ahoy. Well, it's kind of like the HEB brand of Chips Ahoy. And like I told you guys, I've shared this with you guys before about this one. This actually tastes better than Chips Ahoy. Like, I used to love Chips Ahoy. They're chewy, but they're so expensive. They always cost like $2 to $3 for a container like this. This HEB brand one costs $1. Let me get my receipt. I think it's like $1.33. Let me see, $1.49 for this, which is a great price. Sometimes I've seen them as $1.33, but either way, $1.49, $1.33, that's a good price compared to the $2 to $3 that Chips Ahoy does. And like I said, this one tastes better than the Chips Ahoy brand. My kids love it. My daughter, my oldest, who doesn't even like chocolate chip cookies or doesn't like chocolate chip, she loves these. And they're so chewy and so delicious. So definitely go try these out if you haven't tried them already. Also, I forgot to say I got the cheese sticks. I always get the HEB cheese sticks. These are priced at $2.49, and they're always priced at $2.49. They're cheaper than any of the other cheese sticks that are there, any other brands, and they taste so good. So I got these for the girls for lunches. And then also the last thing I got was some canola oil. Usually I buy the big bottles, but I'm trying to encourage myself not to fry foods so much. So I figured if I just buy the little bottles at a time, it kind of will remind me to not use so much oil to fry things. But this canola oil, this Hill Country Fair canola oil, 48 fluid ounces, it was $2.34. So it's $2.34 for this Hill Country Fair canola oil bottle for 48 fluid ounces. Last couple things that I got was from the produce section, and this bag right here of petite red potatoes were actually $2.98. And I believe the bag was a 3-pound bag. I don't know what happened to the tag, it fell off, but it was a 3-pound bag for $2.98. I also got some bananas, which is always a staple in our home, for 28 cents a pound. And then, of course, I had to get the lemons for my tea, and the lemons were 3 for $1, and I bought 6. And that is all for my grocery haul in HEB. So this is my meal plan for this week. And if you guys haven't seen my last videos, this is my weekly menu that goes in my family command center. I am going to do an updated video of that command center because I kind of revamped it and changed the colors out. But if you haven't seen the video of my command center, I'll put a card up here and also in the description box below. But basically, this is a weekly menu that I made myself in Microsoft Word, and I put it inside a picture frame so that I'm able to write on it and erase it every week when I'm writing out my meal plan, and so my family knows what we're having for meals this week. So for this week, I'm gonna have for breakfast, let me just start off with the breakfast. We're gonna have Pop-Tarts for Sunday. I love to have Pop-Tarts on the weekends. I don't like the kids having Pop-Tarts during school weeks. We're gonna have matzo meal, waffles, cereal, leftover Brenner, which I'll tell you what Brenner is in a minute, fried egg and toast, and we always have pancakes on Saturdays. On Sunday for lunch, we always have ramen on the weekend. Now, what I do Monday through Friday for the meals is for the lunch meals is basically I write down what the school is serving that week, and then my girls have the choice to look at our menu plan and decide if they want to eat school lunch that week or if they want to pack lunch. Now, I do have a rule. The girls can only eat 2 times, have school lunch. They can only have school lunch twice a week. So they have to look at this menu and decide which 2 days of the week they want to have school lunch, because, you know, school lunch is not cheap, especially when you're paying for more than one child. So I do like them to have hot meals at least twice a week. And so I let them choose 2 out of the 5 they want to choose, and then the rest of the week they pack. So basically right here is the menu for the school this week. And then we always have like some type of sandwich or grilled cheese on Saturdays for lunch. For dinners, which is like the main thing that we always have to plan when we're doing meal planning. For dinners on Sundays, I'm going to have roasted chicken and potatoes, which I showed you guys already that I bought. We're going to have hamburger helper, Cajun Alfredo pasta, that one that I told you that you bought the pasta, you bought the Alfredo sauce and get the pasta free with sausage. Brenner on Wednesday. And what Brenner is breakfast for dinner night. Every Wednesday we always have breakfast for dinner night, and that is like one of the favorite nights in my household. Like my husband and my girls just love breakfast for dinner night, so we call it Brenner. And then that's why we have leftover Brenner on Thursday mornings, because whatever I make a big batch that night so that they can eat it for breakfast that morning, just reheat it. Saves me time in the morning on Thursdays. Thursday night is always my leftover night, because with all the food this week and the weekend prior, we always have leftovers. So I always make sure that Thursdays we get out all the leftovers out of the house, and that way I can clean my fridge as well. On Friday, we're going to have chicken wings and fries. We always have finger foods on Friday because we tend to have a movie night, a family movie night on that night. And then on Saturday, we're going to have a lemon chicken and rice. And that is my meal plan for this week. So that is it for my grocery haul this week and my meal plans that I have for my family this week. I stayed way under my budget this week, as if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I try to only spend $100 or less on groceries a week, and that has to do with food, health, and beauty. And my total this week in HEB was $67.99. And when I take that and I add in the $5.29 I spent at CVS earlier this week that I shared with you guys, and also I went to Family Dollar and Dollar General, and I bought some cereal and some cleaning supplies in both those areas. Both those places. When I add in the totals that I spent over there with the HEB and the CVS, I only spent like about $75 or less. I don't remember the exact total, but it was under $75 this week on all my grocery shopping, on all my food and health and beauty supplies this week. So I stayed way under budget this week. So this was actually a good budgeting week for me and my family. So I hope I give you guys some ideas on what to serve your family this week, and I hope I let you guys know on some deals that they have at HEB. If you're looking for any of the deals that I share with you guys, at least you know what's out there and what you can save on. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you're serving your family for meals this week, so that I can get some ideas, so I'm not serving my family the same thing over and over again. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.